Welcome to Lesson 1. The title of this lesson is Introduction to Entrepreneurship. In this lesson, we will be discussing whom an entrepreneur is, what entrepreneurship really means, and what an enterprise is. We'll further discuss mindset as it pertains to entrepreneurship. As a part of this discussion, we will be identifying some popular beliefs about entrepreneurship, wealth, success, and money. We will be providing a framework for you to independently assess some of your beliefs to further establish if they are limiting or supporting of your entrepreneurial vision. The objective of this exercise is to ascertain your limiting beliefs, unlearn them, and replace them with beliefs that are enabling of your entrepreneurial dream. As we move on, we will be identifying and elaborating on some characteristics, skill sets, and personality traits that an entrepreneur should possess to increase his or her chances of success on the entrepreneurial journey. Let's get started.
Hey, first of all, I'm sorry for this quick interruption. I know you're locked in. And honestly, that already says something powerful about you. The fact that you are here, watching content about business growth, strategy, and intentional success, instead of scrolling mindlessly, tells me you're not average. You're committed, and I want to applaud you for that. If you're already subscribed to this channel, thank you for being part of this community. And if you're not yet subscribed, this is your gentle reminder to click that subscribe button right now, because this channel is built for serious builders. Now listen, you are already getting a lot of value here, completely free. High quality strategy, real frameworks, practical thinking, and we love giving that to you. However, there's a difference between watching content and experiencing structured transformation. On YouTube, you binge based on convenience. Inside the Open Success program, you progress based on design. Same powerful content, but organized, structured, sequential, built to solidify momentum. Inside the program, you get 6-month structured access, designed intentionally to build consistency and forward motion. Every lesson includes applied knowledge worksheets and quizzes using real-life scenarios, so you don't just consume information, you internalize it. When you graduate, you earn a certificate in Entrepreneurship Success Strategy, something that cannot be earned on YouTube. You unlock lifetime access to our exclusive Entrepreneurs Alumni Tribe, where serious builders support each other, collaborate, and sustain momentum as they grow their businesses. But we don't stop at business, because here's the truth. A successful entrepreneur who fails in other areas of life is not living a wholesome life. That's why graduation from the program also unlocks special access to our 360 Life Transformation AI app, Open Compass. This AI helps you set intentional goals in every area of life, break the goals into daily executable tasks, stay accountable, track progress reports, adjust strategy in real time, get systemic communication nudges and goal tribes for momentum, receive relevant resource recommendations for every active goal. It's not just business growth, it's whole life elevation. And here's the best part. The full Entrepreneurship Success Program is a one-time investment of just $49.99. But because you're part of our YouTube family, you can use the code TUBE at checkout to get 30% off. If you are truly ready to take your life transformation and entrepreneurial success seriously, don't just binge, build. Visit courses.openpreneurs.business right now before the discount code expires. And I'll see you inside.